Best way to contact Facebook support through email. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to contact Facebook support by email. So this is step by step video for you. Now open up your browser. After you open your browser, any browser that you are using, tap on your search. I will give you the link of this website in the description. Just go ahead and type in this WikiHow. Here it is now, wiki.wikihow.com/contact Facebook. So go and search for this link in your Chrome browser or any browser, or you can tap on the link in the description of this video or in the comment section of this video. So tap on the link in the comment section. After you tap on the link like this, now here as you can see now, it says how to contact Facebook, easy ways to get account help. So now scroll all the way to down. Scroll to down. If you scroll to down, as you can see now, here it says using a direct contact form is just like sending an email, except you are more likely to get a reply because these forms are linked directly from support page on Facebook. You are more likely to get a reply to filling out these forms than sending email directly. So as you can see now, what this website is saying, that this website gives you different email address according to people problem for Facebook. Now, if your personal account was disabled, you can use this link to fill in the form. While filling the form, they will ask you for your email address. After you add your email address, then they will ask you to give, like, to describe your problem. So by sending your problem and your email address to this form using this link, now you send a direct link or direct email address to Facebook customer support. Then from there, you can wait for the Facebook customer support to reach out to you after like 24 hours or 2 days. So if you wanna scroll all the way to down, go and read all these titles and just look for your problem. If you lost access to your Facebook page, you can tap on this link. It will give you a form to fill. From the first line of the form, it will ask you to type in your email address. So now by giving your email address and describing your problem, now you send a direct email to Facebook customer support. Now scroll all the way to down. As you can see now, there is different problem. Just go through all these links and read the title. If it just matches with your problem, just go ahead and tap on the link. From there, it will give you access to fill in the form. After you fill the form, now you can send a direct link. Now you send a direct link to Facebook customer support. That's it, guys, on how to contact Facebook support through email or via email. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.